what's up? Welcome to my channel. Last week I uploaded my first Amazon haul video and this week I am uploading another one. In today's video I'll be showing you mostly storage items that can be useful for you. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So the first product that I'm going to show you are these shoe bags that I got from Amazon. They are transparent. I was looking for something like this for the longest time. I wanted something wherein I can see what heel is there inside the shoe bag or what shoe I've kept in which bag. So I think it makes your life very easy. You don't have to open all the bags and see कौन सा shoe or कौन सा heel कहाँ पर रखा हुआ है. It's very easy to locate. Is why I got this. If you're looking for something like this, then you may as well give it a shot. So the next product that I'm going to show you is this air freshener from Miniso. The fragrance of this is very strong. It's almost like a strong perfume. And I got this specifically to keep it in my washroom, so I don't mind that strong fragrance. What you do basically is there's an opener here. You just open this, remove this foil. This is how it looks. And after removing the foil, you can put the cap again and put it wherever you want to put it. I suggest you use this in your washroom and not in your room because it's very strong. I don't think it's the apt fragrance for living room or your drawing room. So I recommend this only to keep it in your washroom. A very nice air freshener. The next product that I'm going to show you are these storage boxes. These are made up of cloth. So basically how you open the entire box is you open it like that and there's a zip that you see here. You close the zip just like that and it will be in a box form. It comes in a pack of 4 and it has different shape and sizes that you see here. So you can use however you want to. This one for your sports bra or normal bra. You can use this for your undergarments if you want to arrange your undergarments in proper organized manner. You can use this for that. And there are 2 more boxes that you get. You can use this in your bathroom, small hand towels. So this will be very helpful if you're looking for something like this to organize your cupboard better. So the next thing that I got are these beautiful white color basket. They are 3 in number, so they're different sizes. One is the smallest one here. You can use them however you want to. It's very elegant. It will look very nice in your cupboard or in your fridge or wherever you want to use them. If you're looking for something stylish storage basket, then these are the ones that you should look out for. The quality is great and look at the design. It's so pretty. So if you're wondering which basket to buy to store your things, then you can check this out. So the next product that I'm going to show you is specifically to keep all my makeup brushes. It has 3 different compartments here like you see. I wanted something wherein I can divide my brushes in. So the biggest compartment is for all my big brushes like this. You can keep it inside, and then this compartment is for all my eye brushes or maybe highlighter brush. You can keep it here, and this one is for all the small brushes that I have. It's very easy to locate because अभी इससे पहले क्या होता था, सारे brushes के साथ मुझे ये छोटे brushes दिखते ही नहीं थे. So I was looking for something where I can divide my brushes in so that it's easy to locate all my brushes. If you're looking for something like this, then you can check it out. So that is it for today's video. What do you think about the entire video and the entire series of Amazon haul for 2 weeks? Let me know if you have tried any of these products in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.